Imagine walking through your home and knowing that tucked away in the most unlikely places, your valuables and keepsakes are not only safe, but also cleverly concealed. The art of secret storage has captivated homeowners for centuries, transforming ordinary furniture, walls, and everyday objects into ingenious hiding spots. Today, let's explore the world of concealed storage spaces, those hidden gems that blend seamlessly with your home's design while offering unmatched security and organization. Start by looking at the furniture you use every day. What if your living room ottoman did more than provide a comfortable place to rest your feet? Many modern ottomans and benches come with built-in storage, but you can take it a step further by adding a false bottom or compartment beneath the lining. A simple lift of the cushion could reveal a perfect place to stash important documents, cherished mementos, or even emergency cash. Coffee tables are another prime candidate. Consider a model with a lift-top surface, which not only offers a convenient work or dining area, but also unveils a hidden compartment underneath. Here, you can keep remotes, books, or anything you'd rather keep out of sight when guests arrive. Dressers, nightstands, and cabinets may seem straightforward, but their design often hides untapped potential. The space beneath the lowest drawer, often just a gap between the drawer and the floor, can be transformed with a removable panel or a false bottom. Imagine sliding out the bottom drawer of your dresser to reveal a secret compartment that only you know exists. This can be an especially useful spot for storing jewelry, passports, or other valuables that you'd like to keep secure yet accessible. But why stop at furniture? Your home's architecture offers a wealth of opportunities for concealed storage. The space between wall studs, typically hidden behind drywall, can be accessed to create recessed shelves or secret compartments. Picture a bookshelf that swings open to reveal a hidden alcove, or a mirror that doubles as a door to a shallow wall safe. These spaces are ideal for storing items you don't use every day, such as important documents, heirlooms, or seasonal decorations. High ceilings in kitchens or living room often leave a gap between the top of cabinets and the ceiling itself. This area, seldom used and rarely noticed, can become a perfect spot for stashing seldom used belongings in decorative boxes or baskets. Bedrooms and closets offer their own set of possibilities. The headboard of your bed could house a hidden compartment, accessible by sliding a panel or pressing a concealed latch. Underbed storage is common, but a custom platform with built-in drawers or a false bottom can elevate your storage game. Closets, too, can be optimized. Behind a row of hanging clothes, a concealed shelf or cubby can keep your most precious items out of plain sight, protected from prying eyes. Sometimes the most effective hiding spots are those that masquerade as everyday objects. Hollowed-out books, for instance, have long been a favorite for storing cash, keys, or small valuables. Arranged on a bookshelf among their unaltered counterparts, they're nearly impossible to detect. Similarly, a fake electrical outlet, properly installed and away from moisture, can serve as a discreet compartment for tiny treasures or emergency money. Even picture frames can be modified. The back of a framed photograph can be fitted with a shallow box to hold jewelry, spare keys, or sensitive documents, all while displaying your favorite memories to the world. Don't overlook the possibilities hidden in plain sight throughout your kitchen, bathroom, or utility room. Kickboards beneath kitchen cabinets, often considered wasted space, can be outfitted with drawers or pull-out trays for storing baking sheets, cutting boards, or cleaning supplies. In the bathroom, a mirror cabinet can be built into the wall, its edges perfectly aligned so only you know it's there. Or consider a false panel in your laundry room, behind which you can store emergency supplies, tools, or valuables. Staircases are another architectural feature ripe for innovation. Each step can be designed as a pull-out drawer, or a section of the staircase can be modified to open up into a storage compartment. This is an excellent way to maximize space in small homes or apartments, turning an otherwise utilitarian part of your house into a clever solution for shoes, bags, or seasonal gear. For those with an eye for detail, even the smallest nooks can be transformed. A baseboard along the floor can be modified to include a slim drawer, perfect for storing cash or important papers. Windowsills with a hinged top can hide spare keys or emergency items. The back panel of a closet or cabinet can be made removable, revealing a cavity just big enough for a passport, some jewelry, or a stack of important letters. The beauty of these secret storage spaces lies not only in their practicality, but in the creative thinking they inspire. By integrating concealed compartments into the very fabric of your home, you achieve a dual purpose, safeguarding your valuables and maintaining the uncluttered harmony of your living space. And because these hiding spots are built into everyday structures, they often go unnoticed by visitors and potential intruders alike. Adopting hidden storage can also give you peace of mind, knowing that your most important items are protected in locations only you are aware of can be a source of comfort, especially during travel or extended periods away from home. Moreover, by reducing visible clutter, you create a more serene and welcoming environment for yourself and your loved ones. There's no need to be a master carpenter or seasoned DIY enthusiast to create these secret spaces. Many furniture stores now offer pieces with built-in hidden compartments, and affordable kits are available for customizing existing furniture and fixtures. For more ambitious projects, such as wall safes or recessed shelving, professional installation can ensure both security and a seamless appearance. Ultimately, the possibilities for secret storage are limited only by your imagination. Whether you're seeking to protect valuables, organize your belongings, or simply enjoy the thrill of hidden spaces, these solutions offer both form and function. The next time you walk through your home, take a second look. You might just discover that the perfect hiding spot has been hiding in plain sight all along.